How to set featured photos to friends only. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can private your featured photos to friends only, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to private your featured photos to friends only, because you might have Facebook and then you might also be basically just logged into your account, but then when you go to the profile page and let's just say that you have got a featured collection that you only want your friends to see and not anyone who visits your profile. Now featured photos itself does not have a privacy setting to enable that. So you can see there is no option to go ahead and edit the privacy because featured photos is public to everybody. But one way that you can hide it and only show it to your friends is by simply locking your Facebook profile. So to lock your Facebook profile, you come to your Facebook app and the profile page, you tap the three dots option here. Then here you'll find the option called lock profile. You can tap on it. Then you can see only friends will be able to see the photos, posts and stories. Only friends will see your full size profile picture. Only friends will be able to search and so on. So you can tap on lock your profile. This way people who are not your friends will not be able to see your featured collection. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.